I've been tracking oil in Jamaica since February of 2022. Here's the first video I did if you want to learn more. This is actually the best performing video on my channel so far, so you can check it out if you want to. I've also created a playlist of all the videos on oil exploration in Jamaica and the relevant updates. I may even do a compilation of all the videos I've done so far and place them in one video for easy access. Now, in our last update, we learned that a new consultant, Energy Advisors Group, EAG, was hired by United Oil and Gas PLC to help them find a drilling partner to explore for oil in Jamaica and share a portion of their stake in their Walton Morant license. This offshore area in Jamaica spans more than 5.5 million acres and offers promising opportunities for oil and gas exploration. As a part of the deal, a test well needs to be drilled by January 2024, and a drill or drop decision also needs to be made by that time, with drilling required by January 2026. EAG has put a price of US $30 million on drilling this test well. It's the end of October, so we're coming close to that deadline of January 2024. Do you think that they'll make it? In September of this year, it was shared that Jonathan Leather, the COO of United Oil and Gas, Chief Operating Officer of United Oil and Gas, had resigned. And when I first read that, I was wondering if this is a good or bad sign. But then we learned that he would still be supporting the project as a consultant. He is a geologist and a veteran in the industry, so their ability to continue relying on his expertise should be beneficial. The latest news is that several weeks from now, United Oil and Gas may be able to share their drilling partner. Apparently, they are currently in discussions with possible partners, and the decision may be finalized soon. They're expecting to have discussions about the commercial transactions and business dealings with a preferred partner in the fourth quarter. Once they have selected the farming partner, Jamaica's Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, that's a long name for a ministry, would have to offer certification for them to operate. And then the drilling can commence, I guess. Now, the possibility of oil being found in Jamaica has prompted a heated discussion among Jamaicans, with some people being excited at the possibility of finding oil in Jamaica, while a majority of the commenters on my first video on the topic were wary of the consequences, with some citing environmental concerns, others worried that it might cause or increase corruption in the country. Even people from other countries share their 2 cents. Now, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below.